Excel 2016 Module 8, pages 500 to 504. On page 500, please read about using the index and match functions to perform a lookup. And on page 501, read about using the if-error function. When you have that finished, flip over to page 502 to check for an error value in the supplier name column. Step number 1. In the product data worksheet, scroll down to row 47. Notice the error value NA in cells D47 and E47, the supplier name and specialty store respectively. Select cell D47. In row 47, observe that the product category is all. This invalid code causes the error message NA because the lookup table does not have a corresponding value. Okay, read those two little paragraphs at the bottom. And then pop up at the top of page 503. I already see big yellow boxes of warnings for us, so let's see what they have in store for this fun. To nest the lookup function with the if-error function, step number 1, double-click cell D47 to enter edit mode. The formula equals VLOOKUP, B47, product suppliers to false appears in the cell, and the formula bar. Alright, I don't like to work down here. All you do is double click and you can work down here. I actually prefer to work up here. They both work exactly the same. All you have to do is follow the instructions. Again, you can work down here or you can work up here. Alright, click to the right of the equal sign. Okay, so we have an equal sign right there. And type if error open parent. Okay. That begins entering the if-error function. The first argument in the if-error function is the formula you want to use if no error value is found. This is the VLOOKUP function that we've already entered. Step number 3. Okay, take a look. It says be sure to type a comma before the error message. Move the insertion point to the right of the entire formula. All you have to do is press your end key, END, and it'll kick you right down there. And then type comma, various, closed parentheses. Take a look. We have 1 parenthesis, 2, 3. You know you can't do that. They have to be in pairs. So we're going to go comma, quote, various, quote, close parentheses. Okay? Go ahead and press your enter key to take it. The error message various appears in cell D47, and the revised formula is automatically copied to all the cells of the column. Double-click cell E47. Okay, that's the other error message. Again, you double-click, you can work down here, or you can work up here. The formula for your H lookup appears. Alright, step number 6. Click to the right of the equal sign. So, between the equal sign and the H. Then type if error open parent. Alright, step number 7. Move the insertion point to the right of the entire formula. So again, if you just press your end key, END, it'll take you all the way down to the very end of it. And type comma, quote, various, quote, closed parent, comma, quote, various, quote, close parent, and press your enter key. The error message various appears in cell E47, and the revised formula is automatically copied to all cells in the column. Turn over to page 504. You can take a look at figure 8-34. And now it says scroll to the top of the table and select cell D2. And observe in the formula bar that the if-error formula was copied into this cell. And you can check all the other cells and you'll see it there as well. Alright, go ahead and save that and you're ready to move on to your next video.